Do you want to animate all your images or products in Photoshop by using Adobe After Effects? Then here's how to do it. Simply import your Photoshop layers into After Effects. So the first thing you want to do is basically import the file or the multiple files from the Adobe. So just go to your files, import the file, and then from them, just select the click import and you'll see a pop-up window which we'll talk more about in a moment. Then you can also click on the left bin on the side of your screen and select from the same options. Then you want to add a new composition from the footage. So if you haven't opened a new composition yet, you can select the new composition from the footage and bring in your files that way. Then you can now go to your libraries and add the project. So in your file, there is a CC library which you can simply right click on it and select add to project. And that's how you can basically add it on your After Effects. Alternatively, you can just drag and drop. So just go to your file browser pop-up or your OS if specific and go for your Photoshop and look for your footages. Then import the file as flattened footage and simply drag it to your After Effects and it should look like this. And after that, simply just separate the photo layers into After Effects by simply going to the import and kind composition and retaining your layer size. And that's how you can basically import your Photoshop files into Adobe After Effects. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications